all that good stuff.
We've been here for 82 years. Our president, Mr. Chris Layton, he's not getting out of this. You're going to meet him before this is over.
Oh, we actually got him in the photo of the beginning of the video.
We're getting him again. We're getting him again,
got to
Joe.
let him sum it up.
82 years old. We're the largest woman-owned welding company in the world, as far as I know. We have 15 different locations throughout the state of Arkansas, so we serve the entire state of Arkansas and bordering states. If you want to reach out to us, like if you want us to come demo this machine, or you want to come to our training facility and demo it, Facebook, we're on Facebook, Welsco INC. You can go to welsco.com. You can probably ask your neighbor. We deal with so many people in Arkansas that they probably have heard of us or know somebody. We'll make it happen. And before we get done with this video, like I said before, I hope that you've enjoyed this demo. I hope you've had some fun. We just threw this together. There was no practicing, there was no nothing. We just wanted to come to you live with Mr. Joe, your welding coach, this morning, and he brought his students, and it's just been a wonderful, wonderful morning. But we're not going to conclude this thing yet. One thing that this welder makes you want to scream. But before we get done, y'all put your hands together. Let's bring our president of Welsco around here. Chris Layton, get your butt out here. Close the show, sir.
Put it all together. Make it all
Close the show.
Hey, thank y'all for coming. Thank you for watching at home, or don't be watching while you're driving. This is a pretty awesome machine. I've got people using it on duck stands, or duck blinds on deer stands. I got people using it on structural steel buildings where they forgot to put a seal pass on something up on the top. There's a lot of uses for this, and we think it's awesome. If you need extra batteries and you want to carry an extra set of batteries, we got those too. So thank you. I'd like to thank Goodwill Industries for working with us. Those guys are awesome.
They are awesome.
Y'all have a good day. But if you want to call about this welder, call the Little Rock store, 501-372-2252. And Nick Gardner's the local manager. He'll be glad to help you.
Let's give a shout out to Nick Gardner. I love you, Nick.
One thing before you go. Let the people know about the upcoming Welsco Welding Expo event coming this year. Let them know.
Hey, December, first week of December, we'll be at Simmons Arena, and I think it's the 4th. It's Student Day. The 5th is Industrial Day. So we'll keep you posted. We'll have another one about that. And yeah, we look forward to everything.
All right, y'all be blessed. We out. Hold on.